Good evening, ma'am. I am Aliyah Jo P. Aranyo, and I will recite the course syllabus. Vision. The Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Science, and Technology is a premier local institution in science in Southeast Asia. Mission. First, infuse wholesome values or core values to the teaching and non-teaching staff of STICAS. Second, equip graduates with knowledge, skills, and attitude towards global competitiveness. Values, efficiency, excellence, perseverance, humanness, and integrity. Institutional goals. First, the Santo Tomas the Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Science, and Technology commits to: first, provide a quality, industry-needed, and tailor-fit educational program; second, exposing an educational and cultural excellence; third, instituting sufficient human and financial resources and compliant facilities; third, institutionalizing research culture across discipline; fifth, establish collaboration among stakeholders and members where respect, values, support are paramount; sixth, implement um, implement programs for community improvement and development. Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship Program Philosophy. The entrepreneurship education offering based in a progressive adult education philosophy aims to create entrepreneurial and experiential learning environments within which individuals develop an understanding in their potential within an entrepreneurial society and economy. Goals. They the graduates of BS of entrepreneurship program should be able to: first um, first have the orientation and motivation of an entrepreneur; second, identify identify business opportunities; third, prepare a business plan; fourth, accomplish requirements to start a business; and lastly is operate and manage a business efficiently and effectively.